right, moving it back up, and our next guest, our MP Mark Warawa.
Happy 148th birthday, Canada. We do live in the greatest country in the world. We're safe. We respect one another. We have the rule of law. We have prosperity. We live in a country where anybody can be anything. With hard work, you can be whatever you want. And so we want to celebrate today our great country of Canada. It's really an honor to be also on the stage with people of other levels of government, people that are friends. We're all here to serve you, whether it's with local government, provincial, or federal. We all work incredibly well together, which is a real blessing. We're here to serve you. So we're here to celebrate our great birthday together. Over to my right is a giant flag, Canadian flag, made of cupcakes from Frosting's Cupcakery. So right after this, please come over, and each of us are going to be there and provide you a very special cupcake. So happy birthday, Canada.